Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Ctrl+Alt+Delete to log on option in Windows 10. Type netplwiz in Windows search bar. Click netplwiz. Click Advanced tab. Uncheck Require users to press Ctrl+Alt+Delete. Click Apply, OK. Type Local Security Policy in Windows search bar. Click Local Security Policy. Click and expand Local Policies. Click Security Options. Open Interactive Logon. Do not require Ctrl+Alt+Delete. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Local Security Policy. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.